Room, attention.
Yeah, we're taking our class.
Most of them probably are insects eating bats. Let's be honest. They have physicals here. They do get shots, by the way, as well. So believe me, this animal is very important to the earth. I don't know.
Hey, Zach, we're taking all the cashiers out to the States. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Shouldn't take it off the light.
You make me so proud.
I like the lights on.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
No! No, God! It's okay! It's okay! Let it happen! Let it happen! No! It's okay! No! It's okay! You know what? You know what? You're fucked up now!
Get off, man. This ain't cool, man. We don't do this shit. Nah, this shit, we don't do this shit like this. We don't do shit like this, though. I ain't used to shit like this. Being tied down and shit. They couldn't even tie me down when I used to get whippers, man. Stop playing, man.
Oh, shit. Ah, shit.
Darwin. And now it's learning more about this country. And then
I gotta get a picture, dude. That's too fucking good. I'm recording the whole thing.
Like and subscribe for more.